welcome to Hazel Me. In today's video, I'm going to show you different accents that you can do in your ponytail so at least it doesn't look so simple. So let's go to the video. The first hairstyle will be super easy and quick to do. So we are going to do a side touch braids. I'm going to part my hair and the rest put it away. So I take the first piece of hair and divide it into 3 sections, and I will start a normal touch braid. Once I have added all the hair, I will keep on doing a normal regular 3-strand braid, just to reach the point where my ponytail will be. Now I will pinch the braid so that it looks more voluminous and fluffy. I will secure the hair with the hair elastic, and now I will do my ponytail, rubbing in all the hair, and once I have it, I will add my braid. Now I remove the hair elastic, and to have a more neat look, I will cover my black hair elastic with a piece of hair around it. And here you have it. This is the first hairstyle. For the second hairstyle, I will be doing a French braid. I take the rest of my hair out of the way. I take my first piece and divide it into 3 equal sections. And now I will start my French braids, adding in hair and going into the middle. Once I reach the back of the head and I have grabbed in all the hair, I will finish with a regular 3-strand braid, and I will pinch in a little bit all the pieces so I get more volume. Now I will secure it with the hair elastic. And now I can do my ponytail. So here you have it. This is the second hairstyle with this accent braid on the top. The third hairstyle will be a little pompadour ponytail. So I will divide my hair and take this front piece, which will be our little pompadour. Now I will take the rest of the hair and put it away. So I will start dividing it in order to give volume to the hair. Remember to do it only downwards, not upwards and downwards, because then it will damage your hair. I will not use my last piece because this will be the visible part. Now I take the rest of the hair and I start doing my ponytail, trying not to lower the volume of our pompadour. So here you have it, this is the third hairstyle. The fourth hairstyle will also have an accent at the top. But in this case I will select two pieces, one in the left and in the right of the middle part. Put the rest of the hair out of the way as always. And I will be using some hair elastics, so have them prepared. I will take one piece of each side, combine them, and secure with the hair elastic. And then I will twist them, crossing them into the middle, and divide it again between two pieces. They will combine with the second pieces I grab from the left and from the right, and do the same thing. Twist a little bit, combine them, put a hair elastic, and then twist among themselves, crossing it into the middle part. I will repeat this until the back of my head. Grab the last two pieces. Take the hair elastic to combine them and twist them. So as you can see, it gives like a braid effect, so if you don't know how to touch braid, you could use this technique in order to achieve a similar look. Now I do my ponytail, grabbing all the hair, doing the final touches. And here you have it, this is my fourth hairstyle. Finally, for the fifth hairstyle, I will be doing 4 individual normal 3-strand braids to decorate my ponytail. So I will grab my first piece, divide it into 3 sections and do a normal 3-strand braid. Until more or less I reach the back of my head where the ponytail will be. I secure it with the hair elastic. And now I grab another random piece from the same side and do a second braid. For this hairstyle you could be using different braids such as fishtail braids, 2-strand braids or whatever you prefer. Now I will do the same in the other side of my head. Again, 2 braids in this side. So once you have your 4 braids, you can start pinching them in order to give them more volume and so that they are more visible when we do our ponytail. We do the same in the 4 braids. And once we have them, we grab them and we start doing our ponytail with the rest of our hair. And once we have more or less, we can add our 4 braids. Secure with some hair clips if needed. And here you have it. So those were my ideas. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you would want to see next. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time!